In this video, I'll show you how to join the Palia Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap Join a Server. Inside the invite link box, you're simply going to type in Play Palia. Make sure there's no spaces and you spell it exactly like that. Then press Join with Invite Link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Palia server. Press Accept Invite. And then confirm at the bottom if you get this capture message. However, you might not get one. That's going to load us into the server. First of all, there'll be a server onboarding where it's going to ask you 3 questions. You don't have to answer them. Then you need to read and agree to the server rules and scroll down to the bottom. And as you can see, we've now joined the Palia server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.